The problem is compute taxable amount of house rent allowance in the following cases. The first column is name of the employee, Mr. A, Mr. B, Mr. C, and Mr. D. Then he has given about pay scale. 20,000 per annum per month is of Mr. A, 20,000 is of Mr. B, 20,000 per month is of Mr. C, and 20,000 per month is of Mr. D. Rent paid is 1,500. House rent allowance is 5,000 per month for each of the assessees A, B, and C, and D is 5,000 rupees per month. Rent paid is Mr. A 1,500, Mr. B 1,200 per month, Mr. C for 12,000 per month, and Mr. C 14,000 per month. And the place of residence is Delhi. For all the assessee, the place of residence is Delhi. So what we need to calculate here, we need to calculate the total amount, the amount of the house rent allowances in the different cases, right? What will be the house rent allowance that we are going to calculate in the above cases. See, first of all, we need to calculate salary for HRA. So salary for HRA, salary equal to basic plus DA. So salary equal to basic plus DA if it enters to retirement benefit. The DA has to enter into retirement benefit plus commission on percentage of sales, or he will give you as commission on turnover, right? This is the salary for HRA, basic plus DA if it enters to retirement benefit plus commission on sales. If you calculate this, then we will come to know about the salary for HRA. Then after this, what is the calculation? This is the calculation of the taxable HRA and exempted HRA. So first of all, we need to write down actual HRA received. He will give you actual HRA that we need to write down, less exempt. Number one, actual HRA received, you have to write the amount. Number two, rent paid minus 10% of salary. The salary what we have found here, of this 10% of salary, then 50% of salary for big cities and 4% of salary for small cities. Now, which are the big cities? The big Kolkata, Delhi, Chennai, and Delhi. These four cities are the big cities where we need to take 50% of the salary for the big cities and 40% of salaries for small cities. That amount we need to write here. Now, in these three, whichever is less, that we need to write down here in the outer column. Now, in this, we have to remove. Now, whatever amount is remaining, this is called as taxable HRA. So, this is taxable. This amount what is remaining, this is called as exempted HRA. Amount what we wrote here, this is taxable HRA, and the amount what we have was left is taxable, and what we have reduced, this is exempted HRA. This is Mr. A. Is calculation. Mr. A's calculation. Now, in this computation of taxable and exempted HRA. Computation of taxable HRA of Mr. A. Okay. So as I have told you, first we need to write actual HRA received. Actual HRA received. How much is HRA received of Mr. A? So A's HRA was 60,000. Right? 60,000 rupees is A's HRA. Right? If you see his HRA is 5,000 rupees per month. Right? Now 5,000 rupees into 12 we need to do. Right? We need to calculate for the whole year. So actual HR received is 5,000 into 12, 60,000. Now in this, less exempt. So under that, number 1, actual HRA received. How much is the actual HR received? 60,000. The same amount is the actual HR received. Number 2, rent paid minus 10% of the salary. Rent paid minus 10% of salary. Okay, so rent paid minus 10% of salary we need to calculate. How much is the rent paid under Mr. A's situation? See, the rent paid is 1,500 rupees, right? 1,500 rupees. So we need to calculate here 1,500 rupees into 12 minus salary. So salary includes what? Salary includes basic DA, commission and other things. But here nothing he has given in this problem. Only basic is there. Basic, that is 20,000 rupees per month, right? So now 20,000 rupees per month, 20,000 into 12. So how much you will get? 20,000 into 12, 2 lakh 40. Okay, 2,000 is your total salary. So 10% of this, 2,40,000 of this 10%. Yeah. So first of all, 1,000 into 12. So we will get 18,000 minus 24,000. 18,000 minus 6. To write minus 6,000. If it is in plus, we will write. Right? If it is in minus, what we will do is we will write here as nil. Nothing is remaining. Rent paid is less, while 10% of salary is more. So we will write directly as nil. Now come to the third situation. The third situation that he is staying in Delhi, Mumbai and Kolkata. So there 50% of the salary has to be taken. Okay. Now as we know that he is staying in Delhi, so 50% of salary. 50% of salary need to be taken. So the salary is 2,40,000 into 50 divided by 100. So we will get 1,20,000. Okay, so 3 options we have got. First is 60,000, second is nil. So here you don't have to write minus. If suppose 18,000 minus 24,000 we have got here in this. If you are getting amount in minus, don't write it, write directly as nil. If you are getting amount in plus, write that amount. Now in this 3 amount, whichever is less. 60,000, 0, nil in the sense 0, or 1,20,000. Which is less? Nil is exempted, is nil. The taxable is 60,000. This is taxable HRA of Mr. A. Similarly, let us go to Mr. B now. So we will write computation of taxable and exempted HRA. Okay, and same thing, actual HRA received Okay, how much is the actual HRA received for Mr. B? 5,012. Same amount, it is also 60,000. Now under this again less exempt. So here again actual HRA received. So actual is 60,000. Right? Actual HRA received is also 60,000. Number 1 we can write. Number 2, rent paid minus 10% of salary. Rent paid minus 10% of salary. Okay, how much is the rent paid in this situation? How much is the rent paid? See, it is 12,000 rupees per month. Yes, it is 12,000 rupees. 12,000 into 12,000 into 12. So how much you will get? Yeah, 1,44,000. So this is the correct amount. 1,44,000 minus. So now salary. Salary, if you see, his monthly salary is same 20,000 per month. Again to 12. To of this basic salary. So you will get 20. Right? 24,000. 20,000 is the basic salary per month. 20,000 into 12. You will get 2,40,000. 2,40,000, 10% is 24,000. Okay. Now let us come to the calculation. 44,000 minus 24,000. 1,20,000. Now third option. 50% of salary. 50% of salary. So that is 2,40,000 into 50 divided by 100. So it is also 1,20,000. Now in this situation, whichever is less, that is exempted. So 60,000, 20,000 and 1,20,000. So in this less is 60,000. Right? So if 60,000 is exempted, how much is taxable? 60,000 minus 60,000. So it is nil. So HRA nil. Situation, tackle HRA is Mr. A situation 60,000.